Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys lava phone sound and vibration setting, and today video title is do not disturb, how to enable on lava phone. Friends, we want to enable do not disturb on your lava phone. So how to enable do not disturb today friends, I will show you, I will tell you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting to enable do not disturb. After phone setting, then scroll it and click on sound setting. After sound setting, friends, you want to set ringtone, notification ringtone, alarm ringtone. You can set, and friends, you can adjust volume from here. Friends, you want to enable your vibrate for call. Friends, you can see always vibrate first time. So friends, you can enable your vibrate for call also. So friends, click on do not disturb, and once you want to enable do not disturb, you can enable. When after enable friends, you can see do not disturb icon will show on your status bar, and friends, you can see what can interrupt do not disturb. Friends, you want to add friends people and have friends who disturb you. Friends, after that friends, they will not disturb you. So friends, you can add people from here, and friends, you can add app from here. Friends, you can see no app can interrupt, some people can interrupt. So like that friends, you can enable do not disturb setting, and friends, you can use it. And friends, you want to schedule your do not disturb time, then you can schedule from here guys. You can start time and end time guys, you can set from here. So like that friends, we can enable do not disturb setting and we can use it. And friends, you don't want to use, so fine, you can disable also. And search here do not disturb friends, click here direct friends, you can disable from here. And after disable friends, you cannot use your do not disturb setting on your lava phone device you want to use. So friends, you will have to again enable. Friends, you can see only get notification noticed by important people and apps, when you can add people and you can add app from here. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video. Friends, do you have any doubt, so you can ask me in comment section. Friends, I will check, I will help you. Bye bye guys. So friends, you want to enable and disable do not disturb, you can enable disable from here. And when there are all many settings, dial pad, tone, screen lock, sound, friends, you can use charging sound, touch sound, friends, you can use from here. Friends, you want to set ringtone, so friends, you can set ringtone also guys. Select any ringtone, and guys, your phone ringtone will set. And you don't want to set, click here, ringtone will off. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video.